In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search Airbnb unique stays. If you're dreaming about a place that's more than just a bed for the night, something with character, a standout setting, or a design you'll remember, this is a simple way to find it without getting lost in endless options. Start by opening the Airbnb app on your phone, or head to the Airbnb website in your browser. You can do this on any device you're comfortable with. Once the homepage loads, you'll notice a row of icons and labels running across the top. This is the key. That row is a scrollable set of categories designed to surface standout stays. Gently swipe or scroll along that top bar to reveal more choices. Even if you've used Airbnb before, it's worth a slow pass here so you don't miss anything interesting. When you see categories like tree houses, cabins, OMG, and tiny homes, that's your cue. These are curated collections that focus on style, setting, and design rather than just location. Tap tree houses if you're after elevated hideaways tucked into forest or perched with sweeping views. Choose cabins for everything from classic woodsy retreats to striking A-frame gems that lean into cozy vibes. Tap OMG. When you want something wildly original, think imaginative, unexpected spaces that feel like an experience in themselves, and select tiny homes to explore compact, cleverly designed stays that make smart use of every inch. After you tap a category, the results will refresh to show places that match that theme. You'll see a grid of listings with big photos front and center, along with a short title, a general location, and a nightly price. Take your time scrolling through this feed. Let the photos guide you. Outdoor decks, spiral staircases, panoramic windows, or whimsical shapes often signal the personality of the stay. Pay attention to the little details in the captions too, which can hint at the setting: mountains, lakes, deserts, or urban backdrops. If the first category doesn't feel like your vibe, just return to the top row and try another. That's the beauty of categories. They help you quickly compare moods and experiences. You're not hunting through generic listings. You're exploring themed collections curated for uniqueness. This is especially helpful when you're still deciding what kind of trip you want: peaceful and rustic, bold and imaginative, or minimal and modern. That's all there is to it. Open Airbnb, scroll the top categories, tap one that inspires you, and browse the results to discover the kind of stay you'll talk about long after you check out.